What's Rain doing? Uh-oh, Maddie. Here's Uncle Ken.
I bet you.
Oh. Maddie said, I'm going to be sure I'm going to eat every little piece. And then I'm going to sit on my piggy over there.
Is he just trying to be mean?
No.
He's just messing with her.
He's messing with her. He's trying to set her up. He's trying to do everything he can. He's daring her to come over and get the food. That's the deal.
Like, I ain't done. I know what he's trying to do.
She said, but I'm going to wait until you leave, and then I'm going to go get it and take it behind the sofa.
It was your chance, man.
Said, no, he's too close. Uh-oh.
Rain's a thinker, ain't she?
Yep. She's Wiley. Like that Coyote. Yeah, she got the toy. She's enticing him to play with the toy. Yeah, isn't that fun, Madik? Look. Don't you want to play with my Mr. Fuzzy? And the Madik's walking off. And where'd the Rain go? Uh-huh, see? There she is. Uh-oh. You better hurry up, Rain. She said, I'm working my way over to it, see? Oh, shit, we finished too fast. She said, I'm going to eat all this kibble. Uh-oh. Bubba, I love you, my Bubba.
He's messing with things.
Oh yeah. I mean, there's that rod right there. Now she's gonna get her bark in. She said, well, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna get him away from that? She said, let me go water and think on it. She said, I'll trade you that Mr. Fuzzy Man for your rawhide. Come on, Bubba. Get him, Rain. Yeah, he's setting you up.
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
You should do me a favor when you get a